Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak iOS 18.2 without a computer. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to back up your device. Before proceeding, ensure you back up your device using iCloud or iTunes. This step is crucial in case something goes wrong during the jailbreak process. The following step is to find a reliable jailbreak tool. Search for a trusted online jailbreak tool compatible with iOS 18.2, such as Uncover or herein. Make sure to download it from a reputable source to avoid malwares. The third step is to install the jailbreak tool. Open Safari on your device and navigate to the website of the jailbreak tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the tool as a profile. You may need to adjust your device settings to allow installations from unknown sources. The second last step is to run the jailbreak tool. Once installed, locate the jailbreak app on your home screen, open it and follow the prompts to initiate the jailbreak process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. The last step is to complete the jailbreak and reboot. After the jailbreak process is complete, your device may automatically reboot. If not, restart it manually. You should now see CDR or another package manager installed, indicating a successful jailbreak. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.